Hi there, Kenepuru residents. My name's Paul Wilson. I'm one of the co-founders of Lumin, and we're really excited to work with you in your trial with Lumin. I thought I would introduce the passionate team behind Lumin because we're not just about technology. The technology is driven by people. So I thought I would start off and introduce Emily.
Hi, Kenepuru. Welcome to the Lumin family. I'm looking forward to chatting with you in the future, and I've really enjoyed seeing all of your photographs in the Kenepuru community. I'm going to pass you over to Ching, who is the team leader of customer support. Here is Ching.
Hi everyone, my name is Ching. I'm the head of customer service, and if you need help in the future, if you'd like a radio station added or a podcast, or if there are any issues with your Lumin, you can easily call me and my team from your Lumin screen. We are happy to assist you, and we're looking forward to hear from you. And now I'm going to pass you on to David.
Hi guys, nice to meet you. Welcome to the Lumin family. I do a lot of the onboarding and installations. I'm here to help with any questions you might have and to assist Ching. Nice to see you. And now it's back to Paul.
Fantastic. So that's the team you've got supporting you. The questions will all start at Ching. Ching will divert it to Dave or to Emily, but we're here to help, and we really hope you enjoy the experience.
Hello, my name's Dave. I'm from Lumin, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the Lumin screen. We're hoping this will help improve your life in the village, make life a bit easier all around. Here, you can see the screen. Very simple touch screen, very easy to use. On the top left corner here, you will see the home button. It doesn't matter where you are in the screen, you press that home button, you'll always come back to this home page. We also have the volume, which is on the bottom left corner of the screen, up and down. What we're going to do is go through each of these folders and tiles and show you how to use the screen. Phone. To access the phone book, tap on the phone tile on the home screen, and then you will come into the phone book. Here we have the personal contact list. To make a phone call, we simply tap on the photo of the person we want to call, and you'll see you're given the option of a video call and a phone call. For the use of the village, we have the Kenepuru list as well. Simply tap on the photo of the person or the resident you'd like to contact, and same, click on video or phone. Edit contacts. We have the ability to add and edit contacts. Simply tap on the green invite button, add first name, last name, mobile number and email address. Press the invite button, and this will then in turn send an invitation via SMS to the recipient to download the Lumin app. Once they have done that, they will appear in your contact list with their photo. Messages. This is where you will receive messages from the village manager or family and friends. Let's have a look. Okay, so here we have a message from the village manager. Bingo tonight. Very easy to reply. Yes, I am coming, or no, or I'm not sure. You also have the option of writing a reply. We can scroll down and have a look at some of the other messages that we've got. There's a message from Lumin Support about some new videos that have been put on. Fantastic. If I want to see a particular message from a particular family member, I can click on the left-hand side on their name, and there, look, I can see messages here from Paul regarding having dinner with Dad. Today combines your personal calendar with family events and also medication reminders. It also shows you what's happening in the village today, including any events that you may have RSVP'd to. Photos. This is where you'll see a whole selection of photos sent to you from family, friends, and also from the village. It can be used as a slideshow, but also if you press on the left corner, you'll see the photos that are sent to you from family, friends, and also from the village. My Community. My Community offers a wealth of information of everything that's happening within the community. As you can see on the left-hand side, it's broken down into some categories. For instance, at the moment we're on what's on, and what that does is shows us everything that's on for the forthcoming week. Special events. This is where we can see what events are coming up. Here we can see that we have a van trip to Somerset Choir. I tap on the invitation. I can see here that it's at 10:30, Monday the 26th of July. There's a capacity of 20 people still to go. I can click on here and that will go back to reception as an RSVP. Regular activities. Here we see a whole list of activities that are available in the village. I tap on the invitation. I can see when it is, what time it's on, and to attend, I just click and that will go back to reception as an RSVP. Newsletters. Here we have all the Kenepuru newsletters. We tap on the newsletter, you can see that we can go to the next page, and using our fingers we can increase the size of the font. To close, we just tap the close button. Facilities. At the moment, we only have the one facility available, that is the recreation centre. In the near future, when they're added, they will appear here. Services. This is where you'll find the whole range of services that are on offer from the village. Maintenance requests. Here, to create a maintenance request, simply tap on the blue button. You have a request type, odd job, defect or other. Simply put in the subject, a description of it, and press submit. Within the community, we also have the resident handbook. This handbook has all the information you need to know about your village. On the left here, we have different categories that makes it easier to find the information you're looking for. Radio. This is where you'll find all your favourite radio stations from anywhere in the world. To play, you simply have to just tap anywhere within the square and on will come the radio. If you need to adjust the volume controls are on the bottom left corner of the screen. To stop, simply tap anywhere within the square again. Podcasts. This is like listening to your favourite radio show, but on demand. Here we have all the podcasts that you subscribe to, and to get something new, simply call Lumin Support. Internet. This is where you can search for any website you like. Simply tap on the search bar, type in what you're looking for, and then press the green button. Lumin TV. It's a collection of videos just for you. Categories on the left-hand side make it easier to find the videos you're looking for. Lumin can also deliver live TV. This might be either from Kenepuru Village or Lumin. Games. Here's a selection of games for you to play. Keep your eye out for new ones. Thrive. This is a collection of stories to read in regards to health and well-being. Simply scroll down, look for the story you're looking for, tap and read. Elia Wellness. This is research and information broken down into categories on the left-hand side.